my shoes behind my phone. I forgot to bring my tripod, but it's 7 o'clock in the morning, 7:30 I think. It's 24 degrees. It's pretty warm. This morning I was feeling so trashy and unproud and like ashamed of myself for like sleeping so much. So I woke up at 6, I prayed, and then I just went out on a run. Now I'm gonna turn around and run back home. Whew. Actually, I want to take a picture. Cramps. Oh, 2 minute something miles, 16 minutes. It's like an 8-minute pace. 24 degrees, chilly run. Not too fast and not for too long. This is now day, I think, 14 of me taking my cold showers. And today I'm really curious how it's gonna be with me running first. Running for like 2 point something miles. I'm gonna cold shower. Wow, I can describe that as feeling strangely warm, like the water actually felt warm. See that right there? All those blue lines, how it's like flat? That sound, this is muted. I forgot to turn on my mic. You see, the batteries on this microphone last like forever, but I always like have it turned off. I don't know. I don't even know why. It's like off right now because I'm not vlogging today. I'm taking a break tomorrow for you. But I hate it when I like forget to turn it on. So basically, I was just sitting there talking about like running and how it wakes me up and stuff, and then I got a text from a guy named Duncan. We've been talking for like a few days. I helped him with a video project a couple days ago, and he basically was coming over to my house to pick me up, and so he texted me that he's gonna be here in like 10 minutes, and so I was like, okay, cool. And so I went outside. This is his truck, and then we were on our merry way. Me and Duncan right here are waiting for one of his friends to come to this car wash. The car show starts at 12, did you say?
Yeah.
So in like a little less than an hour. Oh, it's 11:11.
Make a wish.
So we're gonna wait for one of his friends and then head off to the show. I've never been to. I think I already said this, but I've never been to one before. But this guy's telling me it's gonna be pretty lit. Yeah. Oh, and he said he was gonna take me to a car show, basically a place with like a bunch of really cool cars. That's also what I said when the mic was turned off. I'm pretty sure there's absolutely nothing wrong with the microphone or with my camera. There's probably something that I'm doing that's messing it up, but... Oh! Those guys... Yes, sir. Here's another one. Here's another one. And here's another one. To the show now. It's hot. It is hot. Alright, so we're here now at the car show. I'm gonna try to find like the music and get some nice shots. There's so many nice cars here. Oh my gosh. Now we are off to Longmont. This guy Duncan and I. He has a friend there with like a really nice car. GTR?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
But we kind of lost him, so. Oops.
So now we're on I-25 going down to Longmont. Familiar sights once more. Alright. Yo, Duncan, thank you so much, dude.
Anytime, bro.
It has been such a fun day.
Yeah, it has.
See you around at school, Duncan.
Later, bro. Have fun.
See ya. Oh man, I need a nap. I like fell asleep in his car. The guy like watches my vlogs too. We were talking about some of that in the car on our way there. So if you're watching this, Duncan, thank you so much, bro. Okay, this is now getting really frustrating. Apparently the problems wasn't just with the on-off switch, it was like with the jack or something. I don't know, something's happening. I'm pretty frustrated while editing this because so much of the vlog I had to just cut out because whenever I was talking it wouldn't record. So I'm basically just gonna narrate the rest of the vlog. So you know, I was riding my skateboard, you know, I went into the mosque. And then I saw these kids that wanted to like play around with my camera. I had like the little light thing, so they were playing around with that. And then I went in to pray, and then I took these time lapses. I was done with the prayer, I got outside, I went outside to like a traffic lot, and then I took 2 more time lapses, and my camera's battery pretty much died. So that's it, that was the vlog. It wasn't, well, but when things like this happen, you can't just sit back and feel sorry for yourself. You just gotta accept it and move on. Oh, I really wish the mic worked.